Imagine a steaming bowl of golden orange soup lifting your senses and strengthening your immune system. This ginger and carrots boost immunity with vibrant, nutritious healing soup is more than food, it's nourishment, comfort, and resilience in a bowl. As you sip this warm broth, feel the zing of fresh ginger warming your body, the sweetness of carrots soothing your soul, and the nourishing broth saturating every cell with vitamins, minerals, and This soup is simple to prepare, deeply satisfying, and powerfully protective during cold seasons, flu outbreaks, or whenever you want to fortify your natural defenses. Begin with fresh carrots, peeled and chopped, releasing bright orange color and beta-carotene that your body converts into vitamin A, essential for a healthy immune response and skin barrier. Add ginger grated or thinly sliced, known to reduce inflammation, support digestion, and even help fight off viruses and bacteria. Combine with onions or leeks for sulfur-rich compounds that support detoxification. Use garlic, if you like, for its allicin benefits. Simmer gently in a base of vegetable or chicken broth. Finish with a splash of lemon juice or apple cider vinegar to brighten flavors and enhance mineral absorption. A swirl of coconut milk or a drizzle of olive oil adds richness. Add herbs like turmeric, cumin, coriander, parsley, or thyme for antioxidant support and aromatic complexity. A pinch of black pepper helps activate turmeric. Season with sea salt and freshly cracked pepper to taste. This soup can be pureed, smooth for a comfort food texture, or left chunky for rustic heartiness. Serve hot, garnish with fresh cilantro or parsley, and accompany with crusty, whole-grain bread or a side salad. Each spoonful brings a hit of vibrant flavor and potent immune-boosting ingredients. Enjoy this soup daily during seasonal transitions, when feeling under the weather, or anytime you want to proactively support your well-being. Nutrition highlights: carrots provide beta-carotene, vitamin C, fiber, potassium, and carotenoids. Ginger delivers anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial compounds. Onions, garlic, and herbs contribute additional antioxidants. Broth offers hydration, electrolytes, and optionally protein. Together, this combination supports gut health, respiratory resilience, immune cell function, and overall vitality. The preparation is quick and accessible. You can make a large batch and refrigerate for up to 5 days or freeze portions for future healing meals. Reheat gently, adding a splash of water or broth if needed to restore smooth consistency. This soup also makes a lovely base for variations. Add sweet potato, red pepper, turmeric root, butternut squash, or chickpeas for added texture and nutrition. Here's a snapshot of how to make it. Start by warming oil in a pot. Chopped onions and garlic until translucent. Add grated ginger and stir until aromatic. Toss in chopped carrots, maybe celery and leek, and coat in spices, turmeric, cumin, coriander, black pepper. Stir briefly, then pour in your broth. Cover and simmer until carrots are tender. With an immersion blender or transfer to a blender in bachas, then return to the pot to reheat. Add lemon juice, season with salt, and finish with herbs and optional dairy-free cream or yogurt swirl. This soup is a potent tool for self-care. If you're feeling stressed or run down, a warm bowl can calm the nervous system and supply nutrients your body needs to recover. For children or picky eaters, the sweetness of carrots hides medicinal flavors and makes it appealing. When sharing with loved ones, it becomes a gesture of care and healing. Try serving it when someone is ill, postpartum, or simply in need of comfort. To maintain consistency and benefit from immune support, aim to eat this soup a few times a week. Pair it with balanced meals containing lean proteins, legumes, whole grains, colorful vegetables, and hydrating fluids. Drinking water, herbal teas, or warm lemon water alongside supports detoxification and immune resilience further. You can customize the soup to different flavor profiles. For a Thai twist, add coconut milk, lime leaf, lemongrass, chili, garlic, and cilantro. For Middle Eastern style, add cumin, coriander, turmeric, lemon, garlic, ginger, and garnish with fresh parsley and a swirl of plain yogurt. For a North African flavor, include cinnamon, ginger, turmeric, paprika, chickpeas, and finish with lemon juice and cilantro. All variations maintain the core immune-boosting identity. Plus, adding proteins such as shredded chicken, cooked lentils, or white beans creates a more substantial meal. A fresh tip: roasting the carrots first with a little oil and salt intensifies sweetness and depth. Roast at 200 degrees Celsius until tender and caramelized before adding to the ginger and aromatics. This roasted carrot variation brings richness and complexity. Another idea: add turmeric powder or fresh turmeric root for extra anti-inflammatory potency, along with black pepper to enhanced absorption of curd. You can also stir in a teaspoon of MCT oil or ghee for healthy fat and enhanced nutrient uptake. When choosing ingredients, opt for organic carrots and fresh ginger if possible, to avoid pesticides and ensure maximum phytonutrient potency. Use low sodium or homemade broth to control salt and additives. You can adjust seasoning to suit dietary needs, Omit garlic for low. Use vegetable broth for vegetarian options. Leave out oil or add avocado for oil-free diets. Top with nutritional yeast for B vitamin boost. In terms of health research, multiple studies show that ginger can reduce nausea, inflammation, and support immune response. And carrots are rich in antioxidants that support eye health and immune defenses. Although no single food can prevent illness, combining nutrient-dense ingredients like ginger and carrots in a soothing warm soup helps your body function at its best, especially during times of challenge. The soup offers hydration, anti-inflammatory benefits, gentle cleansing, and a feeling of comfort that lowers stress hormones. So here's your invitation. Make this vibrant, nutritious, healing soup part of your wellness routine. Keep batches in the fridge or freezer. Enjoy it when you feel tired, inflamed, run down, or simply want to feel nourished. Add it to your weekly meal prep. Reheat and sip slowly, letting heat and flavor ease tension and nourish cells. It's more than food, it's medicine in a pot, a ritual of care, a way to build resilience. Whether you're cooking for one or for family and friends, this ginger and carrot soup is versatile, joyful, and deeply healing. It's easy enough for beginners, flexible enough for personal taste, and powerful enough to support immunity when you need it most. Keep fresh ginger and carrots stocked in your kitchen. Whenever you crave warmth, flavor, or immune support, this vibrant, nutritious healing soup is ready to deliver. 3 recipes. Recipe 1. Classic ginger carrot immunity soup. Ingredients: 1 TBS, pea olive oil, 1 onion, chopped, 2 garlic cloves, 2 TBSP, fresh grated ginger, 6 large carrots, chopped, 4 cups, broth, 1 TSP, turmeric powder, 1/4 TSP, black pepper, juice of 1 lemon, salt to taste, fresh parsley. Instructions: heat oil, onion, and garlic until soft. Add ginger, stir. Add carrots, turmeric, black pepper, pour in broth, simmer until carrots tender. Until smooth, stir in lemon juice, salt, garnish with parsley. Serve hot. Recipe 2. Roasted carrot ginger soup with coconut milk. Ingredients: 6 large carrots, peeled and chopped, 1 TBS, pea olive oil, salt, 1 onion, chopped, 3 garlic cloves, 2 TBSP grated ginger, 1 can coconut milk, 4 cups, broth, juice of 1 lime, cilantro. Instructions: toss carrots with oil and salt. Roast at 200 degrees Celsius approximately 25 minutes until caramelized. Onion, garlic, ginger. Add roasted carrots and broth. Simmer 15 minutes. Stir in coconut milk until smooth. Add lime juice. Garnish with cilantro. Recipe 3. Spiced carrot, ginger, turmeric healing soup with beans. Ingredients: 1 onion, 2 garlic cloves, 2 TBSP ginger, 6 carrots, 1 TSP turmeric, 1 TSP cumin, salt, 4 cups, broth, 1 cup cooked white beans, lemon juice, parsley. Instructions: onion, garlic, ginger. Add spices briefly. Add carrots, broth, simmer until soft. Add beans, simmer 5-10 minutes, about half, leaving chunks. Add lemon juice, adjust salt, stir parsley. Serve warm.